الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين وصلى الله على محمد وعلى آله وصحبه وسلم. The fourth hadith from Umdat Al-Ahkaam. عن أبي هريرة رضي الله عنه أن النبي صلى الله عليه وسلم قال: إذا توضأ أحدكم فليجعل في أنفه ماء ثم لينتثر، ومن استجمر فليوتر، وإذا استيقظ أحدكم من نومه فليغسل يديه قبل أن يدخلهما في الإناء ثلاثة، فإن أحدكم لا يدري أين باتت يده. وفي لفظ مسلم: فليستنشق بمنخريه من الماء. وفي لفظ: من توضأ فليستنشق. The translation of the meaning: when one of you makes wudu or performs the wudu, the ablution, then let him enter water or put water in his nose, then expel it or blow it out. And whoever makes istijmar, take this word, this is a technical word, Islamically technical. He who makes istijmar, meaning cleanse his private parts with stones, should do so with odd number of times. And whoever wakes up from his sleep should wash his hands 3 times before putting them in water, before putting them in the water for ablution, because nobody knows where his hands were during sleep. And in a narration by Muslim, let him take water into his nose, washing the nose by putting water in it. And in another narration, من توضأ فليستنشق, and he who makes ablution, then let him take water into his nose. This is the meaning of the hadith from the various angles of its narrations. The narrator is Abu Huraira, and we already spoke about some aspect of his biography in hadith number 2. The subject of the hadith is explaining some types of purification, explaining and making known some types of purification. Here in the meaning of some of the words, إذا توضأ, which means if he starts his wudu, so we learn now some words. Wudu, which means ablution. Anf means nose. Anf means nose. Istijmar Istijmar means cleaning the private places with stones. Istinshaq means to put water in the nose. Istinshaq. The overall meaning. It is from the perfection, it is from the completion of Sharia and its concern and care regarding purification is that it comprehensively dealt with the types of purification needed to complete such act of worship, meaning the ablution. And in this hadith, the Prophet ﷺ spoke about three types of perfection of tahara and taking the precautionary measures regarding them or regarding it. The first is completing the tahara of the face in wudu by making istinshaq, drawing the water into the nose. The person does this by himself, draws the water inside his nose, then expels it out or blows that out or blow it out to clean what's therein. The second is in the istijmar, which is the cleansing of the private parts to remove what comes out from these parts. And from the perfection of this is that the person does this with odd numbers. So if cleans the place by 3 times of cleansing, then he holds. And if the place gets cleansed or cleaned by 4 times usage of the stones, then he increases a 5th one in order to attain the witr, the odd number. And this is like many matters in Sharia, ends up with witr, with odd number. The third concerning the washing of the hand after waking up from sleep, before immersing it in the pot of water and the like of liquids. So there is washing of the hand. The Prophet ﷺ commanded that this to be done 3 times before putting that in the water for the ablution. Now, the benefits of the hadith. Seeking to wash the inside of the nose and to clean it by blowing the water out, and the place of this is before making the washing of the face, and this is from the completion of the face washing, and therefore it is an obligation like the obligation of washing the face. Now, the second is seeking to disconnect the istijmar upon witr, upon an odd number, even if the cleansing takes place with even steps, and what's obligatory is the cleansing. What's obligatory is the cleansing, and the odd number is added, then this is perfection. Third benefit is seeking to wash the hands of the person when he wakes up or upon waking up 3 times before immersing it in the pot of water for ablution. The wisdom is that the person does not know where his hands were during sleep. The fifth benefit, the good way of teaching by the Prophet ﷺ, where he linked the ruling to its wisdom, so that the legally responsible person increases his iman, his faith, by knowing the wisdom, and through this the perfection of the Sharia is manifested and its highness. The sixth benefit is the comprehensibility and perfect state of the Sharia, where it dealt with and gave high attention to the matters of purification, and also taking precautions in these matters. This brings the end of the explanation of this hadith. Questions on this hadith. Question number 1. What is the subject matter of the hadith? The second question is, what is the meaning of the following terms? Number 1, anf, anf, anf. Second, istinshaq, istinshaq. Istijmar, 3, istijmar, istijmar. Fourth, what is the ruling concerning istinshaq? What is the ruling concerning istinshaq? Number 4, what is the obligation in istijmar? What is the obligation in istijmar? These are the 4 questions, and inshallah ta'ala we will review them next time. Walhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen, wa sallallahu ala Muhammadin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi wa sallam.